Welcome. In front of me I have LG K42 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to open the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, like this. And in the quick panel we have a Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on it. And to disable it, tap on it again. You can also press and hold on this icon to go to the Do Not Disturb mode settings, and here we have few options. First one is mode, and here we can select priority only or total silence. Tap on the one you like to select it, like that. Below we have select priorities, we can tap on it, and here we have a few more options. First one is calls from, we can tap on it and select from whom we're gonna get the sound notifications when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And you can select from no one, everyone, contacts and favorites. I'm gonna select favorites. Below we have repeated calls, and you can enable this option by tapping this slider right here. And what this option does is basically when somebody calls you more than once, within 15 minutes period, the sound notification will go through. And at the bottom we have messages from. It's basically the same as calls from. And here you can select no one, everyone, contacts and favorites. I'm gonna select contacts and go back. Right here we have use Do Not Disturb, and this is basically slider to enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode. And below we have schedule category, and we have pre-existing schedule called sleeping. We can tap on it right here to edit it. We can remove it by tapping the bin icon right here in the top right corner and tapping delete. We can also tap on schedule name right here and change the name of the schedule. Then tap save. Below we have days, and we can select the days on which the Do Not Disturb mode schedule will be active, basically. And you can check them or uncheck them by tapping on them, like that. And below the days we have from to, and basically if you tap on from, you can set the hour on which the schedule is gonna be turning on. Let's set it to, for example, 8:30, like this, and then 2, and set it to 9, for example. Below we have mode. We can tap on it and select the mode of the Do Not Disturb mode. Let's select total silence, and at the bottom end if alarm rings, and we can enable and disable this option. Once you're done editing your schedule, tap on save to save the settings. And here you can enable it or disable it by tapping the slider next to it. You can also add your own schedule by tapping add schedule. Select weekly or calendar. I'm gonna select weekly. And here you can edit the settings like we did before. Okay, let's go back. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.